What's up, chiquita? This is next tutorial for you, and the name for this tutorial and the concept of this tutorial is tracing. Ooh, let's go. The concept and the main idea of tracing is using the lines of our body to draw these lines and creating the musical effects. Creating like a texture. So what's the sense? Let's go to the practice and I'll show you. We're creating a point like this. And then I am drawing the line through my body and going like this and moving and the finishing with creating the point on other hand. Let's go again. So creating the point and move around, going with another hand, going like this and ta. Okay, this is the first one idea. The second one idea is creating the point on our knee, going up and going to another knee, up and another knee, up and another, and and and. Okay, these two ideas we're gonna develop and connect, creating as always, as usual, routine. Let's go. So, to be creative, to make good loop, we're gonna do like this. So the one, we go like this, up, we go ha, ha, and then we go up, behind our head, going through all the lines, and bah, we finished. And again, ta, 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 sha, woo, ha, sha, bam. Ta-da! Everything is really easy. Now we're gonna just put some musicality on it and dance to the music and then trying to freestyle with it. Let's go. First of all, the routine. We're gonna fix the timing of the routine to understand the music before we're gonna freestyle. So the timing is gonna be like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's like 1/8 for the half of the routine, 2/8 for everything. Let's put it onto the music and be clear with the timing. Pay attention on it. Be clear with the timing because music is our everything, as always. We got it, or if we don't get it, we take our time, practice a little bit, feel comfortable, feel the timing, feel everything, the pauses, the points, the accents, and then we're gonna move to the freestyle. And here we really free. But the small nuance of the freestyle is to build on this concept. So we're using the tracing to build everything that we want. Let's go.